Oh my goodness, the wave. Check it out, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will be talking about how to make money and what I believe you should do if you own a pair of Nike Air Max 197 Wetherspoons. And if you don't own it, obviously in this channel, I will teach you that there are always ways to make money. So stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode number 4. I am extremely pumped to give you guys this video because we are going to be talking about the Nike Air Max 197 Sean Wotherspoon. So this is 2 Air Maxes made into one. So pretty much 2 shoes making a baby, going around, and now they are on your feet. But I will be talking about how you can make money off this shoe. So lucky for me, I was able to get 2 pairs of these. Not just 2 pairs, I also got a toddler shoe that. So you can take a look here. I won the raffle at Undefeated. Shout out to my girlfriend for coming out and making sure that I got the shoe. So how that works is for many places, many stores, with a lot of riots, different people cutting in line, first come, first serve, that doesn't work anymore. So many shops around Los Angeles, what they do is they have a raffle for their shoes. So you come in before the sneaker release date, and essentially you fill out something online and they email you if you've won or not. So that's exactly what we did. And coming in, winning my Undefeated raffle, I only expected to get 1 pair of shoes. So when I actually went there, I got a hat, I got a free shirt, free poster, and there was also the toddler sneakers. So I was able to get 1 pair of those. So as you can see here, the total that I spent at the Undefeated pop-up was $317.56. $317.56. And I immediately sold the first shoe for $500, and I sold the toddler shoe through StockX for actually $325. And my second pair of men's size, I actually got through the Nike Sneakers app, which is actually like pretty ridiculous. I don't even know how they decide, but you know what? If you don't have the shoe, it's completely fine because we are going to go into StockX and Flightclub and try to find ways of how we could go about making money. So as you guys know, my first thing that I love to do is go through StockX and kind of take a look at exactly how much these shoes are going for. So went ahead and pulled in the Nike Sean Wotherspoon Air Maxes through StockX and through Flightclub. So through StockX, my favorite sizes are size 8.5 to 10.5 because those are the most dominant. Most people have that size. So let's go ahead and take a look at the price range. 8.5, $549, $545, $545, $546. So now that we know it's about $550, that price range, let's go ahead and take a look at Flightclub. So we could go ahead and see the price right over there, right underneath my face. Size 8.5 is at $725. Size 9, 800. 9.5 is at $725. Size 10 is at $700. So let's go ahead and take a look at the $800 one. But as you guys know, Flightclub, they take 20%. So if you were going to sell it for $800, you would return $640. So right over there, $640 if you were going to sell it for $800. And for that same size of a size 9, $545 plus shipping, so around $560, you're going to go ahead and make, and you sell it on Flightclub, you'll make $80. But you know what? I don't think that's as great. So let's go ahead and find something else. As we can see here on Flightclub, let's go ahead and take a look at what's the most expensive shoe. So we could see that they're actually going up in price because if you take a look at some of the smaller sizes, and for those who don't know, the reason why size 5.5 to 6.5 sell is because, guys like to buy stuff for their girlfriends or something. So those sizes are pretty popular. And especially with a shoe like this, I'm a firm believer that in terms of any collaborations that any shoe company does, they just go up in value. So if it's not like a retro sneaker like the Jordan 1 or anything that just re-releases, those tend to go down in value. But with this sneaker, this shoe is not going to come out anytime ever again. It will not. Hands down. And if you watch this video in 20 years and it's back, well, obviously I suck. But so most of these shoes, they just go up in value. So let's go ahead and take a look at StockX for that same price of a size 6. So size 6, we could take a look here, and it's actually going for $700. So if we take a look at the size 6 on Flightclub, we could see that it's going for $1,000, which after your return, you'll get $800 back. So right over there, you can make $100. But obviously that risk reward, it's not as much. And you can see with newer hyped shoes, and this shoe just dropped. So obviously there's a little wiggle room in terms of like the amount that it's going on different marketplaces. So obviously a lot of people, there's a lot of demand for this shoe, and we could go ahead and take a look right over here. Just the size 10 right over here from 10 o'clock to 12:27. There's already been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs that have sold. So, and the thing that I love about StockX is that they have so much data. So you could even take a look at how much the shoe has been selling throughout, and it's pretty consistent at $500. So in my opinion, it really depends on what you're trying to accomplish. In my case, for one sneaker, I just wanted to get rid of it and make my money. I bought it for 160 bucks, and I sold it for 500. Obviously, if I waited a few days, I could have gotten more money, or I could have just waited a few more months, or even possibly a year, and they would go up in value. So Nike, they also have Nike Air Max Day, which is March 26th. So for those who don't know, that's Nike Air Max Day, and during this time, Nike Air Maxes just rise in value. So I firmly believe that if you just hold the shoe, you could sell it for over $1,200 next year, and it's gonna hit that price. So it really depends on what you're looking to accomplish when you have what you're trying to do for your business. But in this situation, my recommendation is you buy it and hold it if you don't need the money. But if you do need the money, right over there, you can easily make $100 by buying it on StockX, the size 9, and reselling it on Flightclub for $800, which would return you $560. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. And if you are extremely interested in these videos, please leave a comment of exactly what shoe you want me to review, and take a look at if there's room to make money, and I will go ahead and do so. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for episode number 5.